Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money while sleeping. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 passive income ideas that can help you earn money even when you're not actively working. Let's dive in. First, let's break it down. Passive income is money that keeps coming in after you've put in some initial effort. Unlike a 9-to-5 job where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to earn even when doing other things, like traveling, relaxing, or even sleeping. One of the best ways to generate passive income is by creating and selling digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or printables. Once you create them, you can sell them over and over again without doing any extra work. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable make it super easy to start. Next up, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, this can be a great way to make money on autopilot. If you prefer a hands-off approach, dividend stocks might be for you. By investing in companies that pay regular dividends, you can earn a steady stream of income without doing much. Just buy and hold, and let your money work for you. Love Design. A print-on-demand business lets you sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and more without handling inventory. Websites like Printful and Redbubble handle everything from printing to shipping, so you just sit back and collect the profits. Got an extra room? Rent it on Airbnb. Have a car you don't use often? List it on Turo. Even things like cameras or drones can be rented out for extra cash. It's all about making your assets work for you. And there you have it. 5 ways to make money while you sleep. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments.